we do it? Come on, give me a little bit more! 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 Hi, I'm Alistair. That's Jonathan. This is Edmunds' very own Lucid Air Grand Touring, and that is the new Mercedes-AMG EQE, and this is Edmunds U-Drags. Let's get on with it.
And we're back again. Today we have our very own long-term 2022 Lucid Air Grand Touring with only 819 horsepower and 885 pound-feet of torque, weighing a whopping 5,226 pounds, going up against the 2023 Mercedes-AMG EQE with 617 horsepower, 701 pound-feet of torque, and a hefty 5,587 pounds. Is this even a fair fight? These two battery-powered bullies are going head-to-head on our Edmunds U-Drag track, which starts with a quarter-mile drag, then they hit the brakes, do a 180, and power back to start-finish. At the end of the first run, so you don't fight in the comments, we'll swap drivers and lanes and do it again. And for everything else, check out edmunds.com/udrags.
Let's deal with the elephant in the room. The last time we ran the Lucid Air in an Edmunds U-Drag, we got a bit of banter from Lucid on Twitter, who said, why did we run the car on the 19-inch rims? Well, to be honest, we ran it on the 19-inch rims because those were the wheels with which the car was provided. And they were provided so that we could maximise the range, and this very car did 438 miles in the famous Edmunds EV range test. But Lucid also offers a 21-inch wheel with a more aggressive tyre that should perform better in conditions like this, but won't go as far on a single charge. We tried to buy some of those tyres and failed. We also tried to borrow some from Lucid and failed there too. So we're back running on the tyres with which the car is provided, because that's an important rule of Edmunds U-Drags. We only run the car on tyres that you can buy directly from the manufacturer. Long-winded explanation, but here we go. So how do you launch a Lucid Air? Well, to be honest, pretty simple. You have to set the car up and put it into sprint mode, confirm that I am in fact a skilled advanced driver. Oh yes, whatever the t-shirt says. Now, to activate launch control, put the left foot on the brake, smash my right foot into the accelerator, a cute little bear for California will appear on the dashboard, and away we go. Let's do it.
I am in the new Mercedes-AMG EQE. Pretty cool car. Electric AMGs are a new breed of performance Mercedes, so very impressive performance. Anyways, launch control, pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead and select the Sport Plus drive mode. So they have a nice, convenient little AMG button down here. Sport Plus, that sets everything, drive, suspension, sound for more drama, and a few other parameters to full sport. You can either leave the traction stability control in sport, or you can turn it completely off. I like it off. This is an all-wheel drive car. I like it as loose as possible, so yeah, those are my settings. I think this car has a really good chance of beating that Lucid. It's just a much more well-rounded package. It has the power, it has the tires, and frankly, it's got AMG handling. So yeah, I don't think it's going to be close.
Five, four, three, two, 1.
Oh, we got a better launch, but surely the Lucid can come fighting back.
Here we go.
And it is, the horsepower's taking over.
Oh, here he comes. Oh! That Lucid is so fast, but he's not going to be able to stop.
Right, turn it. Fire it out. Now.
Oh, here he comes! We hold it out.
But he's coming back, he's coming back! Can we do it? Can we do it? Give me a little bit more! 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 Sorry about the squealing.
Oh man, that's a photo finish.
Wait, who won?
Talk about coming from behind, man. That was impressive.
It was just like getting the thing stopped, and I overshot a little bit, but then I just got it turned and got back on the power. And yeah, you could just see it kind of reeling it in. I was kind of squealing a bit. Didn't sound very alpha, to be honest.
Wait, you were squealing or the tires were squealing?
I'm afraid I was squealing. I was getting a bit excited. Give me a little bit more! Give me a little bit more! Give me a little bit more! Give me a little bit more!
I think I won that one, right? I don't know, it was really close, but I think I crossed the line first. But yeah, this thing is so easy to drive. It stops well, it corners well, it gets off the corner without any drama. Actually, I had a little bit of drama, a little bit of oversteer, but like it was just a hint of it.
So I think we need to reset and go again.
Okay, my first run in this, probably wasn't super happy with it. We also think the fact that the Lucid's got a bit more heat into its tyres might help it, but I guess we're about to find out. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Oh, that Lucid got a good launch.
Better launch, better launch, better launch.
Oh man, it's so fast. All right. Break.
Give it everything I've got. Turn her in. Hit the apex. And fire it out.
Oh, not enough to believe.
Here we go.
Oh no. Oh.
She's pulling. Bye bye.
Oh my God, that Lucid. Too much speed.
Yeah, well, there we go. Can't beat 800 horsepower, it would seem. It takes a lot of stopping, and then it's a little bit crude, and you just got to turn it and fire it out. But once you've turned and fired it out, it really goes.
Yeah, I mean, this one was a little behind, and so I think if you don't already have a lead in this thing, then I don't know. It's really hard to kind of make that up.
Yeah, I would like to try this on bigger, stickier tires because it's got so much inherent capability that it would be quite something.
Anyways, how about you say we switch cars? I think that race was pretty exciting.
So swapping into the AMG, I'm going to run exactly the same setup as Jonathan, so let's not get too deep into that. So, same premise. I'm going to give away a few horsepower. I expect the Lucid to come flying past on the run to the corner, but I'm hoping to make it back under braking and through the corner itself, and then hang on down the back straight away. Still think that Lucid looks cool though.
It's Lucid time. It's a big question mark here. We all know it struggles on the braking zone, namely because we keep it planted into the quarter mile. It's the U-Drag rules. It's just a matter of this finding the grip and making that turn. But if it does that cleanly, we've seen that it has the top end to catch that thing. So let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, got a good shot, got a good launch, but the Lucid's right there.
Out ahead.
Oh, he's coming away, he just feels so much slower. Okay, let's do it under braking. Oh, my camera.
Go, go, go!
I think he's going to win this comfortably.
Oh man. Good job, Lucid.
Woo! That's an easy win for the Lucid.
That is power. That is power.
So I think basically you just hooked that up beautifully that time. You got a better launch than me, and then I was really conscious that we were kind of braking together, and I hoped to catch you back up, and then you just managed to fire it out the corner. I mean, this thing stopped better, but you were just gone in that through that first quarter mile.
I don't know, maybe the tires had a little bit more heat in them, but yeah, everything just felt like it was put together, and I didn't really feel like I overshot the corner at all. Like it was very clean, and this thing just has the power to to just leave.
And its best numbers. 0 to 60 was tight, but the AMG hit it 0.1 seconds faster than the Lucid at 3.1. In the quarter mile, the Lucid beats the AMG with a 10.7 at 130.6 miles an hour. In the corner, it was the heavier AMG that got it, pulling 1.09 Gs. Finally, in the end, it was close, but the W goes to the Lucid with a time of 33.2 at 139.9 miles an hour. Quit staring at my leaderboard. The Lucid couldn't beat its previous time of 33 seconds flat, so it stays in 6th. And the AMG EQE comes in right above the EV6 GT in 8th, with a time of 33.5 at 128.7 miles an hour. Ooh, data and video time.
Oh, that Lucid got a good launch. Oh man, it's so fast. All right. Catch him on the brakes, Oh, not enough of the lead. Oh no. Oh my God, that Lucid. Too much speed.
Better launch, better launch, better launch. Better launch. Right, quarter mile. Right, give it everything I've got. Turn her in. Hit the apex and fire it out. Here we go. Yeah, she's pulling, she's pulling, she's pulling. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh, can't beat horsepower. So pretty much what we expected, a tale of braking and tyres.
Well, I mean, it wasn't what I expected, to be honest. I thought the EQE's tires and just kind of well-balanced all-around performance would have trumped that. You get that thing turned and pointed and it just fires out like a missile. Anyways, I still feel good. I still love the way that the EQE drives. Like you said, it's very predictable. That is fast. I think we should get some real tires for it. Yeah. And it will be a totally different contender on this stage.
It just needs better tires and maybe a little bit more finesse in the stability control, which is certainly, if you're trying to push on, gives you a little bit more to play with. Yeah, it's nothing they can't do with over-the-air updates and a set of new boots.
Yeah, totally agree.
So there you go, Lucid beats Mercedes. That's it from today's Edmunds U-Drags. For all the latest on this series, head to edmunds.com/U-Drag, that's U-D-R-A-G. We've got the link somewhere on the screen here. If you want to sell your car, head to edmunds.com/sellmycar. We've got tons of reviews, news, everything you need automotive. That's it for today. The sun is setting. We're off for a much needed shower. Thanks for watching. That's all for now.